बिग बॉस के वीकेंड का वार एपिसोड में कल चौथा एलिमिनेशन देखने को मिला। शो के होस्ट सुपरस्टार सलमान खान ने आकाशा सिंह के घर के बाहर जाने की घोषणा की। उन्हें कम वोट मिलने की वजह से एलिमिनेट किया गया। विशाल कोटियन और आकाशा सिंह के बीच आकाशा के नाम की सलमान ने घोषणा की। हालांकि प्रतीक को इस बात का काफी बड़ा झटका लगा। कुछ वक्त के लिए वह मानने के लिए बिल्कुल तैयार नहीं थे कि आकाशा शो से बाहर हो गई हैं। इन 4 हफ्तों में आकाशा और प्रतीक दोनों के बीच काफी अच्छी दोस्ती हुई थी। निशांत भट्ट के बाद प्रतीक आकाशा पर भरोसा करने लगे थे, इसलिए उनके जाने से उन्हें काफी दुख हुआ। शुरुआत में एविक्शन को लेकर यह खबरें आ रही थी कि दिवाली के चलते इस बार कोई एलिमिनेशन नहीं होगा, लेकिन सलमान खान ने एलिमिनेशन की घोषणा करते हुए घर वालों को सबसे बड़ा झटका दे दिया। कहीं न कहीं आकाशा का एलिमिनेशन बिग बॉस के फैंस के लिए कोई बड़ी बात नहीं थी।
All doing? How's everything going?
Pretty good. Thank you for having us.
It's my pleasure. Thank you so much. Vivek, I would want to know from you that what was the germ behind the idea of Meenakshi Sundareshwar? How did it all start?
So the thing is, I love this genre. I love stories, and this theme, long distance relationship, it's such a universal theme and such a relatable theme. So yeah, that was the reason I really wanted to explore it and use it to be the theme for my first film. So that's how it all started, because I love this genre and this theme is so relatable. That's why I really wanted to explore it.
Oh, okay. And the film, it talks about a long distance relationship in a marriage. Now, marriages, they are all about two different worlds coming together, be it a love marriage or an arranged marriage, because every family, they have their own value system, beliefs, and their worldviews. So for marriages, people in a way, they also overcome the distance in a metaphorical sense, since they come from different backgrounds. So in that context, what do the worlds of Meenakshi and Sundareshwar look like? Sanya, will start off with you.
For Meenakshi and Sundareshwar are two very different personalities, Meenakshi is very confident, she's out there, she speaks her mind, whereas Sundar is reticent, he's shy. And if you've seen the teaser, there's a line which Meenakshi says कि मुझे nervous लोगों को और nervous करने में बहुत मजा आता है, and that's how she breaks the ice for the first time when they meet. So definitely there is a distance between these two personalities, but what is endearing about their relationship is that they're two very opposite people, but they don't want each other to change. They are ready to grow together, and that's very special, I feel.
Okay, and Abhimanyu would like to add anything to it?
I mean, she's pretty much summed it up very beautifully. The compassion and understanding between these two characters to achieve their personal goals and also their combined goals, the dedication towards that is really great. And like you said, there are two worlds coming together, and like she said, there are two different characters and personalities that are just put together and told to survive, and how beautifully they overcome the differences that they have for their mutual goals.
So did you guys take up any workshop to get a better understanding of the nuances of the character or the worlds that they come from?
I mean, we had intense readings before we started shoot of the film with Vivek. So this film was actually supposed to be shot before the first lockdown. And then we literally, like, half of the people had left Bombay to shoot for the first, and then they were called back because the lockdown was happening. So we got enough time during the lockdown to understand the character, live with the character for a while, which in this day and age is tough to do because we're moving on from one project to another project. So we got enough time to live with this character, empathize with them, understand with them, and all the direction and the readings that Vivek did with us made it very easy and very clear. You know, his clarity in terms of vision towards each character and what he wanted in the film was so detailed, was so intricate, and the homework was done from to the T. So it was just easy for us to implement exactly what he had told us to do. So that made life simple.
Okay. And Vivek, I would want to know from you that, in the trailer, we don't see the faces of the lead characters for a good 10 seconds. What we see are close shots of the eyes, their heads turning in opposite directions, and, a close shot of their fingers. While Abhimanyu is crunching the codes, we see Sanya, she is holding a sari. So what was the reason behind introducing your characters like that? I mean, if you could shed some light on that.
That's a beautiful observation, by the way, Akshay.
Thank you.
Yeah, I would really...
Teaser mein tease kiya.
No, because I always get fascinated with, in general, like the postures. Like often when we see a performance, I'm talking about myself, when I see a performance, and in general when I observe someone, like often, it's great that what people are saying, of course there is a context to it, but it's always great to observe them. Like if someone is, like how the state of mind kind of affects the body language and the postures. So those detailings are always interesting to see, like if someone is conscious, then his hand or maybe his leg will react and will move in a different way, as opposed to someone who's feeling very confident, or maybe who's, So yeah, so even while shooting, whenever you see the film, we have dealt with these sort of nuances, and we have tried our best to kind of present it in that way, rather than just giving a close-up shot to the actor and then let them say all the dialogues. I really love frames in which way I can observe the postures of the actor, as opposed to just a close-up shot where they are emoting their emotions by mere dialogues.
Okay. And my next question is for all three of you. Every artwork, it does something to you. It adds something to you.
Sorry, I'm interrupting. Sorry, I forgot to mention that. So the trailer was cut by someone else. I forgot that person's name. So I will give the credit to that person as well, who chose those correct shots in order to produce them in the trailer. So the due credit goes to him as well for finding those good shots and making this trailer look so beautiful.
Every artwork, it does something to an artist, in the sense that it adds to your personality and your skill set as an artist. So what did this film do to you as an actor and as a filmmaker? We'll start off with Sanya.
I think it's a very nice question, Akshay. Thanks for it. As you said, that art really adds a lot to an artist. And I think this film was a really good learning experience for me. I would like to share how during the first week of our shooting, we were shooting in Karaikudi, and Vivek shared a visual reference for a scene, for a montage in the film. And I, as an actor, have never worked like that. I'm always like, I'll go on set and I'll feel how I want to do it. And when I saw that visual reference that Vivek had shown, it's a very beautiful, like, painting. If you remember the Voila painting, Vivek, that you showed me. Yeah. And I was like, okay, we'll try and do it. And I was, what I learned from that particular thing is that, I learned that okay, how do I put this across? I've lost my chain of thoughts. Shit. Shit. Chala
it can't be expressed in words, the emotion is beyond.
Yeah, that it is. It is, honestly. It was such a great learning experience for me. For sometimes you have to keep that actor aside and just see the film visually. And I think Debojit, our DOP, and Vivek, they are a great team together. Yeah. And for a film like Meenakshi Sundareswar, you just need all the frames to be so... I don't think so I can form any sentence today.
No, they look mesmerizing. The frames look mesmerizing.
Yeah, they do look mesmerizing. Not only in the trailer, but in the film too. Yeah. Okay. Pass the question to
It's okay, we'll take it over to Abhimanyu.
In her thought process, I have forgotten what the question is. Can you repeat the question? I'm confused over that question. In terms of the film and also spending so much quality time with Vivek really opened kind of expanded our horizon of understanding characters, understanding culture. Usually in the last few years, most small town characters are seen as agitated characters and who are really scrambling to do something.
Yeah.
But Vivek pointed out and made sure that the character that we're playing in terms of Meenakshi and Sundareshwar both are really slow. That therav is there, that understanding is there, because the fast-paced life is there in the metro cities, not in the small town.
Now, and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.